So what's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So in today's video it's gonna kind of be, we don't really know yet, so we got a phone call. Someone's got a bunch of stuff that they possibly want to either give us or sell to us. We don't really know what it is, so we're gonna cut this intro. We'll be right back. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, we actually just got home from where we were at. We went to just my sister's fiance's parents' house. That he gave me a call, his father gave me a call, and he's got a lot of collectible snap-on stuff and race car stuff. So he really wanted us to test it all out and see if it does sell. So we're gonna kind of show you what we did get. This might be a shorter video just because we didn't really know how this was played out at all. We spent like an hour there just talking to him. So it was a good time, but he gave us a couple things. We're super excited, so we're gonna show you what they are and we're gonna keep you guys updated if they do sell or not.
And he's got like a billion more of what we have.
This is literally like a little sliver of what he's got. So no, let's save that for that. I like that the most. Okay. So first off, we got a little race car.
I think it's Dale Earnhardt Jr.'s.
Yeah, but it's not like a Hot Wheels or anything. It's like a, is it a Hot Wheels?
No,
I don't know.
It's an AC Delco.
Crazy. So all this stuff is pretty old. It comes with like a race card too or something in the back. It's
from like China. There's like
there's some Chinese right on it. Very crazy. But he's got like so many of those. So if we could sell the one, we'll just go get more.
Yes. And this,
we got a mug, a plastic mug.
Yes.
Yep, just plastic. But it's got a really cool like old space Star Wars type thing to it.
He used to work at Snap-on, so this is how he got most of these awards and stuff. And so this is probably like a mug that they Team Snap-on mug that they
there you go, Team Snap-on.
This one I'm actually excited for. It's a Dale Earnhardt Jr. like tin car, but inside of it, inside of it is a pair of gargoyle sunglasses. The kind that he used to wear. Yeah, so it's never been opened, as you can tell, so. It's got the plastic and everything. It was like $100 back in the day. When he bought it, he said, he got it for like $130. Which, for just a pair of sunglasses, it's crazy expensive. But yeah, I mean, that's still in the package. We haven't comped anything yet. This one's actually pretty cool. He said it was a Bill Elliott replica. It's gold plated, so. But that was actually a 1 in 10,000 edition, so these are they're slightly limited, I guess you could say, but I'm trying to get it out. And then there's this one. I feel bad, I feel like we shouldn't even take it out of the box, but I mean, we gotta take pictures of it anyways, so. It's gonna come out eventually. Oh man, it's still got the plastic top. Styrofoam top. Oh my goodness. We can't take this out. So we're gonna be really more careful with it when we're taking pictures and everything because there's some paper on it. We do not want to rip that on camera. Might not even open that. Yeah, just so take a picture of the box. So yeah, we don't really know how we're gonna take pictures of these yet, but we have a Coca-Cola one. This one, he was explaining, it was cool because it also came, well, it was like a father and son. Yeah, so usually I think Dale Earnhardt would. Ow. So yeah, it was just like a father-son. They switched colors of their car. Yeah, so that's really cool. We got both of them. Yeah. But like we said, we don't want to take them out because they're very fragile, it seems like. Not fragile, but there's paper and stuff. Oh, you squished the box.
They're very fragile, it seems like.
Oh, you squished the box. That's okay. And then he also did give us this book that just has like all the prices for everything on there. So but it's 10 years old, so it's probably different now. Some of it might not be the same, but it'll give us a good gist of stuff. So we're gonna be breaking into this. Yeah. Two more. These are heavy. Yeah. One is a Dale Earnhardt Jr. Superman version of a car. So we're not gonna take that one out. That's pretty cool. Yeah. And then we got this one. Dale Earnhardt, it's a Bass Pro Shops version of it. Holy crap! The price tag when he bought it was $80. So yeah, we're super excited to be comping all this. But now for the coolest The last part, this is definitely the coolest part. Get this box out of here. It's a Dale Earnhardt Snap-on
one in, hold on, one in 7800 wrench set. I think that's what it's called.
So they got his signature on there. It's really cool. 4 different sizes or 5 different sizes. He's got another set, the same thing, but it's like a black, he said, which these look black, so we don't really know. But yeah, we're gonna list this one up. It's still got the plastic peel.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can really see that. Still plastic on
This
there.
he said he paid $200 for
yeah,
when it
so
came
this
out,
should be some good money, hopefully.
Use only the polishing cloths provided with this set to polish your wrenches.
Wow.
It's intended for display purposes only.
Yeah, not to be used during work. But yeah, that was pretty much what we got. So we're super excited to get into listing this and selling it all. I want to put more shots of everything at the end of this and just all that. But today's video is pretty much over. It was just a little haul that we kind of got, so we're gonna be kind of maybe even splitting it with him 50-50, the profits that we make from it. So yeah, we're super excited to see what we can get. We're excited to see how much it sells and how fast it sells. Yes. So make sure to smash that like button if you enjoyed this content. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions or you want to share any love. AC, sorry. And until tomorrow, till next video, peace guys, go crush it.